Retire like a genius.
How to be a senior discounts genius. Retirement today is an opportunity to live your best life and enjoy the financial perks that come with being a senior. Once you turn 65 and start to enter retirement, you can open up a whole new world of benefits and senior discounts. Taking advantage of these opportunities can be a smart way to stretch your dollars, stay healthy, and enjoy good living while getting the most out of your money. How can you get your senior discounts? Well, there are membership organizations such as AARP and AAA that offer numerous benefits and discounts, government programs such as Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, and the Veterans Administration to access retirement income, health care, and discounts. And then there's a whole world of senior discounts that become available across the country for things like dining, entertainment, travel, and even groceries and shopping. Accessing these discounts all starts with making sure you ask. Some discounts are only available on specific dates or times or occasions such as your birthday, while others last all year long. So always double check in advance about the availability before making purchase decisions. Not all businesses advertise their discounts for older adults, so simply asking before your purchase can go a long way. Remember that discount policies change at both the national and local level, so it's always smart to double check beforehand so there aren't any unexpected surprises. So, what are some of the best senior discounts to be looking for? Many restaurants will offer senior menus or early dinner discounts, and you can enroll in free membership rewards programs so you can earn free food, coupons, and discounted meals. Some grocery stores offer senior discounts, senior-specific shopping days or times, and using coupons is always a smart way to trim your spending. Several airlines, car rental companies, and hotels offer AARP and AAA discounts as well as senior-specific discounts. But always be sure to confirm the most up-to-date information before completing your booking. There are also many opportunities to save while having fun at the movies, museums, theme parks, and at shopping malls with discounts. Also, don't forget to ask about special birthday discounts and freebies, with many of these on your special day. Surprisingly, not all seniors and their families take advantage of the discounts and benefits they are entitled to. In some cases, it doesn't occur to them to ask whether a discount is available. In other cases, people just have a hard time thinking of themselves as seniors. Individually, some discounts might amount to just $1 or $2, but as you take advantage of more of them, those savings grow. When you're on a fixed income or want to get the most out of every dollar you have, the difference over time can be significant if you want to retire like a genius.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.